Let us come to second part of the first question. We have to construct a quadrilateral gold GOLD, in which we have given five measurements. All are the lengths. So there must be one or two diagonal. So let us check the diagonal in gold GL and OD. Both are the diagonal. So OD also we have given, GL we have also given. So we can take the larger one. It is very easy to construct through the larger one, or you can take GL also. I'm taking OD, right? So take OD 10 centimeter. At first we will do the rough sketch. So I'm taking OD. This is OD, and it is 10 centimeter. From O I have OL. It will become GOLD, right? GOLD. So may I have OG? This is not given. May I have OL? This is given 7.5. So open your compass, set at 7.5, and make the arc from O to L, right? And maybe I will have DL also. This is given, yes, 5 centimeter. So open your compass, set at 5 centimeter, put at D, and cut this arc at L. It will be smaller, so you can cut here, right? This is the rough sketch. So just match them and you will get this type of figure. Now if you have given GD, yes, it is given GD 6 centimeter. So open your compass and make the arc from D to G 6 centimeter, and one of these two we will require. Maybe OG is given, or maybe LG is given. So one of them must be there. LG is given 6 centimeter. LG is 6 centimeter. So open your compass, put at L, and cut this arc, and you will get this G point, and then match. So this is your rough sketch, right? Now come to the main construction. Okay, write down the lengths here. Here I'm writing the length now to get it easy for you. OL, this is 7.5 centimeter. We have given DG, this is 6 centimeter. We have given LD, this is 5 centimeter. We have given this LG 6 centimeter, right? And now let us do the construction. OD is 5 centimeter. I have written this. OD is 10 centimeter. LD is 5 centimeter. Yes, I have written. So now let us start. At first we will take 10 centimeter as the base. So I am taking here 10 centimeter as the base for this quadrilateral. So this is the base, 10 centimeter. Okay, and name it OD. Now let us open the compass, 7.5 centimeter, right? It is already 7.5 centimeter. Wow. So put this the tip of the compass at O and make the arc downwards, right? Make this arc. So you can take a longer arc, because from D we have just 5 centimeter. So make the longer arc here. Now open your compass, 5 centimeter, and set 5 centimeter, put at D, and cut this arc, and you will get this point as L. Now draw a line segment from O to L, and from D to L. This is O to L, and this is D to L, right? This is a triangle now. So you can write the measurements also. This is 10 centimeter we have taken, 7.5 centimeter we have taken, and 5 centimeter we have taken. This become. Now open your compass, 6 centimeter. So put at this 6 centimeter measurement. Okay, right? So now this is a GD, we have given 6 centimeter. So put at D, and cut this arc. Make the longer arc. You can remove at the end. And same compass setting, because we have given LG is also 6 centimeter. This will be G point. So same compass setting, 6 centimeter, put at L, and cut this arc, right? So this point will be G. Now draw a line segment from G to D, G to D, and from G to L, because we have given the measurement GL, G to L, and the remaining we have O to, this is O to, the remaining we have O to G. So draw a line segment from O to G, right? Now this become your gold. So this is GOLD, and you can write the measurement here 6 centimeter, and LD is also we have given 6 centimeter, right? So this is your required quadrilateral GOLD.